Hello guys, it's me Hesper. Welcome back to my channel at Lovely Hesper. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's video guys, we will do unboxing of my birthday gift. Yes, you heard me right. It's unboxing birthday gift from my husband. And yeah, it's been like almost 4 months and I just uploaded right now. I know. And I still wanted to share this to you, just in case you just in case you look for something to give to your loved ones. I don't know, maybe a birthday gift, anniversary gift, or Mother's Day gift. Yeah, Mother's Day is coming, so who knows? I don't know. So maybe this video might help for you to decide what would you like to give to your loved ones. So please support my channel at Lovely Hesper. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have a request video or if you have questions, just let me know. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin.